A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the initial steps of our little ones to Surana Vidyalaya set them on a path of lifelong learning and nurture competencies that they will need to excel in the world. An institution that has stood for over 2 decades as testimony of quality education, drawing inspiration from our founder, Dr. G.C. Surana, Dr. Archana Surana, Managing Trustee, GDA Foundation, and Mr. Dilip Surana, Chairman, GDA Foundation, who have always strived to achieve excellence and holistic development of students. The school, which is affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, is located in Chandapura, close to Electronic City, and conveniently accessible from prominent areas of Bengaluru, the Silicon Valley of India. Our kindergarten school at Surana Vidyalaya provides holistic development with innovative methods of teaching, which helps the child in keeping emotionally stable, mentally alert, physically sound, and socially adaptive. Students are made to think creatively and work collaboratively through play-way methodology, providing them with a wide range of skills such as social and emotional skills, life skills, languages, sensory and motor skills, and many more, which facilitates and encourages sensory and perceptual experience. Surana Vidyalaya thrives on the philosophy of quality education for all. And at our primary school, the students are taught using VARK model, which determines visual, auditory, reading, and kinesthetic sensory modalities. The curriculum delivery is strengthened with periodic lab activities, field visits, nature walks, apt AV feeds, and class observations. Surana Vidyalaya is also one of the best senior secondary schools in Electronic City, which offers various courses in science with integration for NEET, JEE and CET. Alongside, the commerce courses are available with integration for CA and CS. And the school also provides students with arts and humanities courses, giving utmost importance to the students' comfort and safety. The infrastructure at Surana is impeccable and well built. When it comes to facilities, Surana has it all. The well-lit, spacious classrooms equipped with modern technology aid students in their learning process. The science labs with the state-of-the-art facility provide students with the tools and resources that they need to excel in their studies. The fully equipped computer labs with latest software and hardware facilities enable students towards technology-oriented learning. The well-stocked library with an extensive collection of books, periodicals, journals, and other reading materials opens a different world to our students beyond academics. To inculcate team spirit and competitiveness, Surana Vidyalaya has a host of sporting practices. With over 3,000 square feet of ground within the premises, the school offers gym room, physical education or drill room, indoor sports such as table tennis, badminton, etc. In terms of transportation, school provides bus convenience to ensure that the students can easily commute to and from the school. Surana has embedded a wide spectrum of co-curricular and extracurricular activities ranging from sports to community service that complements in the academic program. It empowers kids in dance, drama, music, art and craft, skating, yoga, library, physical education, communicative English, creative writing and aerobics. Students are also provided with post-school assistance in Olympiads or curricular studies with free Science Olympiad Foundation and In Need of Improvement classes. Apart from this, the students are also oriented towards spirituality through Bhagavad Gita and Mahabharat classes, where they learn values through theme-based movies in the Surana tent. Our teachers at Surana, working dedicatedly towards holistic development of students, not only educate about the curriculum but are also great coaches, counselors and mentors who understand that education takes place all over the campus and not just only in the classrooms.